got one extra pair of boots. Yeah, yours is there. Yeah.
Holy shit.
Guys. What's up?
Hey guys. Hey
Oh, it's great to see you, buddy.
Sorry, just
How you doing,
big
bro?
time, dude.
That's all right. I came in for the hug. How you doing, buddy?
Just real good. You?
I'm doing great.
Awesome.
I think I'm a little. I need a suit. I need
You
one of
look
these.
good. You look good.
No, I came dressed. It ain't about looking good in this fucking sport.
Thanks to Donnie, I look like a fisherman now. I just don't know how to cook it. And that's why he's here.
We got it covered. It's gonna be a good day.
Fresh off of Navy SEAL training. I don't know, the quick plug, do it.
Yeah, Die Trying season finale. Check it out. It's been a good episode. Never doing that shit again. This is a lot more fun than
Shaved his head, went through a full Navy SEAL training
full day
day.
of training.
Gonna cook us up some
hallucinating.
fish too. Gonna cook some fish for us today, right?
Good day.
Yeah.
Welcome to Minnesota, boys.
We're actually gonna plunge him. He's not done the training. We're gonna get him inside.
How about these Pink Whitney mittens here?
These things are fresh. Watson gloves, unbelievable. They're warm as hell. We also got the black and yellow Spittin' Chicklets OG colors. We got gloves, we got mittens. Check it out. Biz does the commercials. Grinelli's hat's pretty fresh.
Pink Whitney Trapper.
That's a nice warm one. I got the bright pink so I don't get shot by a hunter out here.
Look at these, Lee. Team Canada, baby. Watson gloves.
What's the confidence level with these guys?
Confidence level, they'll catch a fish.
Yeah.
So they set the over-under at 9. They said they would catch at least 9 fish.
It'll go over that. Yeah, significantly over.
Oh, wow. Wow, Merle.
I bet by the time we get out there, Biz and Carter have already caught more than that. What? Yeah.
What are your thoughts for today, boys?
My thoughts are that I think we're gonna catch a fucking 40-inch fish.
Yeah, the guy just got a call that they're all biting, so we got to get it right out there.
He goes, there's a chance you catch, Bart said, there's a chance you catch a fish bigger than any person in Minnesota has all year.
Thousand lakes in Minnesota. This is just tradition to do this. Really cool experience.
Hey. All right, I'm good. Bougie old bitch-ass wit on the back of an ATV going to catch some walleye.
Hockey and ice fishing is about all you can do out here in the winter. So, love it.
What's up, folks? Check this out. We are at an undisclosed secret location on a lake in Minnesota. We have a special guest with us. We actually have a couple, but first off, Ryan Carter, long NHL career, former teammate of mine. He's got some great stories. We're gonna sit down with him, do some ice fishing for some crappie, because we got Bart from the Crappie Chronicles right now. And he's telling us we're gonna catch 12 to 15 inches. We're going for a 20-incher. Make sure to throw the big ones back. He said that's very important. The Crappie Chronicles. Last guest, Chef Donnie, Barstool's finest. If you don't know this guy, check out his book, Not Your Mother's Cookbook. He's cooking at college football tailgates, and he's cooking up the fish we're catching today. So Pink Whitney's here to drink, and we're gonna have a time. Shout out the Crappie Chronicles. Let's go.
You betcha. You betcha. Let's go. Whoop-a-da! Whoop-a-da!
We've been making a lot of noise so they can hear, you know, the vehicles going back and forth.
Oh,
So they'll kind of spook off a little bit, and then they'll kind of work their way back as we quiet down. And
How would you feel if you're sitting, you know, in your living room and 20 feet above you, there's just...
That's like living by the airport.
Basically, yeah. Okay, so this is a fly style reel, all right? So to drop it, you pull. That's it.
Really?
So you pull all the line out.
And that's how it goes down. Just start pulling it up.
Just pull it out.
You're not even holding anything. Just do that.
Just pull it
All
out.
right.
So you can pull it out from the rod tip or right there if you want.
Okay.
Very easy. So then we'll get you guys some flashers, some Vexilar units, and we'll show you how to use those.
What is that, a radar form?
Yeah, so we're gonna teach you how to use those now too. Did you find them? So if someone wants to go catch a couple with Ryan, pick a rod.
I'll go with Ryan. Thank you.
Does the color matter? Bart? White?
This is a rod for ants.
Okay.
Great. This one's black. Should be perfect.
If everyone wants to come over here.
Yeah, I'll go with you.
Real quick. Demo mode. So, this is called a flasher. So, you'll see down here, this is your water column, okay? So this is everything below you.
Technical difficulties.
We got Merle.
I show up and all of a sudden we have technical difficulties.
The only thing I
Here,
ever
let me
catch
walk
when I'm
away.
fishing is a buzz, Whitney.
Let me just grab a different one. That one's not working for some reason.
catch fishing is a buzz, Whitney.
Give it a sec. Okay.
Whoa.
So that's your bottom.
Okay.
Behind there is mud. That's all it is. Anything that shows up in here is a fish.
Wow.
Because it's so that transducer is sending a signal down and something stopped it. So it'll show up right around here. So if I go to demo mode, we'll show you what an actual situation will look like. So that's the bottom, what we were looking at. That's your jig or your bait as you're putting it down. That's a fish.
How can you tell the difference?
Oh, so you just
Because
keep-
it's off the bottom. All these fish will be off the bottom.
As our thing is moving.
Yeah, they'll be off the bottom like 2 to 8 feet off the
So
bottom.
does that mean we put this
So
down
you'll drop this down. This is
That's a
gonna
demo.
switch.
That's a
real-
demo.
Yeah, this will switch quick, so don't worry about this.
Crazy.
So what you want to do is stay above them, because the more aggressive ones will come up after it.
Right, right.
So I'll get down there within like 2 feet of them or so, and then usually the most aggressive fish will come shooting up like that one
right there. Bingo, yeah. Oh,
And then you want to just, once they start coming after it, you try to keep it away from them and just watch the rod tip. So like this one is a super soft tip. When they eat it, it'll just jump.
I'd compare catching a fish to maybe getting a birdie in golf.
I think getting a birdie's way easier. Actually, the way I putt, I could fucking catch a fish with a putter more likely than make a 10-footer.
So keep going.
Oh yeah, it's not going. You're not pulling.
You gotta,
Oh.
yeah, you're bitching it right now, Liz.
That's basically it.
That's going good now.
Yeah.
So why are some things stopping and then more space?
That's his line. That's some of the line are just air bubbles.
Okay.
As the jig's going down.
Ooh, is that a fish?
No, that's your line.
that's
Yeah,
your
keep going, bud.
So keep going. If you can hear that reel going, that means you're pulling out enough line. There you go. All right, you can probably stop there.
Donnie, how you feeling right now?
It's good. I mean, it's good to be home. It's good to show the boys what real Minnesota ice fishing's like. This is the full experience. Outside, it's snowing. It's fucking cold. This is it.
Hey, we're fucking hole hopping, baby.
Oh, his buddy's coming.
Oh,
come take
bring
it.
it, bring it up,
Come
bring it up,
take
bring it
it.
up, bring it up, bring it up.
That'll take an air bubble.
They fighting over it?
That was huge move, fast.
It's a rush, man.
That's an air bubble.
But it didn't go. Oh, it went
Because
all
you
the
can
way
see,
out.
that's why this part's good. So you see how it's such a straight, perfect line? That's an air bubble.
Okay.
You see that one?
Here we go. G! 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 Granelli!
Oh, hang on, no camera over there.
What is that? That looks like a piece of bait. All right.
Yeah, you can jig it.
On the board, baby!
Let's see what happened there, all right.
I caught a fish, baby. Are these sharp like?
You're good. You got it. You know what you're doing.
Yeah,
Can
bad
you give him
boy
a little
back.
kiss, all right?
Yeah, I'll give him a little smooch once I get that hook out.
Oh my God. Can you imagine getting tackled?
They're gonna play hockey and worse than this tomorrow.
I know.
Oh God.
Well, what is the temperature right now out here? Like
Donnie said 6.
6? Well, the wind makes it feel very cold.
It's -5 right now.
With the wind or without?
Without the wind.
-5, Murph.
It feels like negative.
This is winter though. This is fucking. This is Minnesota ice fishing winter. Going to an outdoor hockey game tomorrow.
Doesn't get any better than this.
And I'll tell you right now, I should have put some chapstick on. Because I'm already feeling the wind burn.
I got you.
There we go. Teamwork makes the dream work, right?
And we're hole hopping, we're hole hopping, we're hole hopping, yeah.
Little pisser.
Huh? Oh, you got something? Hey, he's got something here.
It's a big one. Yeah, that took a while. There's more down here.
Yeah, now it's a competition.
You got one? Here, you guys catch one.
The skull?
The tried and true rally chew.
The coal? Oh, the rally.
Yeah.
I thought that we were gonna put that as bait.
Not quite.
I'm like, oh, that's a fun trick.
Yeah, we could try it.
Yeah, maybe they like that
Like, we
shit.
could.
We'd be catching fucking shark and shit. New rule, every time we don't find a hole with fish, we take a sip of beer. Another loser. Even when we lose, we win. We just gotta get our confidence
We
going.
do, yeah.
So there's a bit, so you just gotta get,
again.
they are striking gold over there. But
know how many crappies they have.
the good news is they're making a lot of noise. So my assumption is they're gonna scare the fish away.
Yeah, we're by ourselves here. We got a better shot.
It's
We
like
just gotta run into 'em.
it's like just finding the hole's back door. You know, get open. Find the open ice.
I didn't play hockey, but I'll believe you. I played basketball. Backdoor, same thing. Yeah, backdoor cut.
Alley oop. This is the
Yeah.
alley oop.
Yeah,
oh,
there we go.
Is that
Yeah,
me?
keep getting it down there. That's you, but that's a fish. He made a new rule. He said that every hole we go to, we don't catch fish. He's got to drink a beer, so or take a drink of beer. It was good. He said take a drink. Not drink
that'd
a
be a lot
beer.
of beers there.
Yeah.
We'll catch some fish. I mean, I gotta cook something, so we need some fish.
I'm not gonna lie. I thought this was the one. It's kind of like when you think you meet the one at the bar and you bring her home and she got a stinky box and it's just not gonna work out. You got to get her the Uber home. I'm just kidding, Donnie. I'm just kidding. I would have took her down.
Shutting down.
My battery just died.
Oh my God,
It's too cold out.
it's freezing, dude. I gotta go warm my hands up anyway.
Let's go. Let's
Hey,
go do
to be
this
honest,
Let's go do this interview thing.
Oh, yeah, I was gonna say we got video with the fish. I don't care now. We got a video of me holding a fish.
I don't think this is the hole. I don't think this is, I got another drink. All right, time to go do an interview. A little rattled. I think I'll get one afterward. If I leave here without catching a fish and RA got one, I'm coming over the top ropes.
So
And if we're sitting here, you want to do right here?
no,
Somewhere
no.
we could sit.
Each guy will have their own hole.
Oh, okay.
So yours will be like right here.
I think we should probably do, why don't we do one hole though? Because then,
We're just doing an interview in here with these
should we,
guys.
is
want
it
two
okay
holes?
to do multiple holes?
Oh, yeah.
In this little area?
Yeah.
Okay. So you do one wet and then he can do one and I'll just put
We'll do one here and one here.
Sure.
Yeah.
How deep do I go? Keep going till the end?
Yeah, just don't force it.
You drill all the way to
Okay.
the back. Now keep it.
Keep going?
You could
Back up.
yeah. Just that'll
Great
work.
job, Whit Dog.
That'll work.
All right.
All right, Bez, you do the other
I feel like that was a very rookie
No, I
hole.
actually-
No, that was good.
Okay.
I thought Whit did a great job. Let me clear this out.
Oh,
of the
you
way.
yeah, Biz, you do one.
No. You want me to? Okay.
Well, he said it'd be good for
Oh, my
the video.
drink. Thanks, Bill.
So Biz, he hey, you were right. Is it Sam? You were right. I was pushing
Don't
it down.
force it.
Just let it go.
Don't force it.
You can push a little.
Imagine the ice just broke right now and we fell in. Talk about no inflammation.
Yeah.
Working on your man card, eh, Biz?
What's up, everybody? We're coming to you from a first ever interview from the inside of what? Is that a hut? An ice
it's
fishing
the
hut.
Clam 600 already.
Clam 600.
It is what it is.
It's an ice fishing hut. We're on an unnamed lake here in Minnesota, and this guy's a local guy. Thanks so much for joining us on the Spittin' Chicklets podcast, Ryan Carter.
Hey, yeah, thanks for having me, and thanks for weathering the storm here. I mean,
This is great. Like
This is the north. This is the north.
This is
right
the
here.
north, and this is luxury. This is the north and luxury.
Yeah, he told us right away. He's like, "This is like bougie ice fishing. You have a heater next to you, and you wore like designer boots to the pond." So
He wore his Louis
So they-
Vuitton scarf here, folks. Hey, not
some
bad career for a guy who didn't have an agent until he turned pro.
That's right. All right. No, I always say that. 10 years. I played 10 years on 2 years of talent, so that's.
It's a lot better.
I was able to grind 8 of them out.
Hey, thanks MSG TV.
Yeah.
Paul Martin just got here.
Oh, awesome. Yeah.
Yeah, so
Great.
We got Paul here. What's up? Ready to see the boys? Oh yeah, looking forward to it. Looking forward to it. A little chilly.
Oh. All right, yeah. You got sick of all the questions I was asking. Straight from the tap. Hey, Grinnell, straight from the tap. Jeez, Grinnell, don't get my 4Z in there.
What the people want. We're going
Please.
Chicklets OnlyFans coming next.
Oh wait. Throwing the feet up.
Part 2, my.
Oh no. Oh my god.
Dude, it's dangerous out here. I told you.
Yeah.
Holy fuck.
I didn't smell it. That's amazing.
I didn't.
Well, that's actually not amazing.
No, I didn't
Smells.
feel it.
That's why that heater went out.
Remember I was like,
Hey, no word of a lie. That was one of the most favorite interviews.
It's awesome.
Oh,
Hey, look at this.
Hey, that was one of my favorite interviews. Honest to God.
Biz,
Not to
that's why
spook
it
you
went
out
out.
too.
That was the light.
Yeah.
No.
He burnt his pants.
All right, we'll send in some cash to replace these.
I know.
Put it on the Chicklets card.
Well, then keep them and then share them tomorrow.
That's from Those are Carter stories. Just hot fire flames.
Burn them.
Like a Keith Jones 2.0 right there.
Here we are, another Merle's Minute. Ryan Carter just finished up with the Chicklets boys. We're gonna do a quick word association, one word answer. Biz.
Party.
Wit.
Beauty.
RA.
Hammered.
Great one. All right, when in your playing days after practice, which one do you enjoy more, Juice Boy or Rebound?
Are we still one word answers?
Well, I guess we can go to 2 there, yeah.
Okay, Juice Boy.
Juice Boy. All right, the sport you would play pro if you weren't a hockey player.
Soccer.
Oh, I like that. We're out here ice fishing. You enjoy this more or the summertime fishing?
Summer.
Summer, all right. I noticed you were a player for the Green Bay Gamblers in the USHL. What was your favorite card game throughout the years?
Schnarps.
Oh, I love Schnarps, love Schnarps. Favorite casino game?
Blackjack.
Blackjack, like it. Take your Pink Whitney as a shot or a mixed drink?
I'm a shooter.
Shooter. We got one more here. Oh yeah, you're in touch with the Wild. You played there, working for them now in the media. We're big gamblers. We need an anytime goal scorer in the big game on Saturday.
Anytime goal scorer? Let's go Marcus Foligno.
Foligno, yeah.
Actually, no, can I switch that?
Yep.
I'm gonna go Matt Dumba. Big game player. Dum's will
Dumba,
score.
and we'll get better odds with him. I like
Dum's
it.
will score.
All right, Ryan Carter, thanks for your time.
How you doing? How you doing?
You're wearing a fucking t-shirt out here, you crazy man.
No, it's good for the vascular system. I don't know.
What the fuck's a vascular system?
I don't know.
Nah.
I read about it.
You college guy?
Yeah, I'm a college guy, right?
Yeah,
How's it
thanks
going?
oh, it's awesome.
Yeah.
We just sat down with carts in there, and then we're just gonna do a little ice fishing now.
Yeah.
So
Oh, so you haven't started yet?
we might even do some of these sled games.
Ooh, that looks like fun.
Little chariot racing, battling going on.
Yeah, something new.
Yeah.
That looks great.
Yeah. Have you met Paul?
Yeah, just
Yeah, awesome.
You guys staying warm?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is awesome, man. This is living the fresh air and getting off your phones and
How you doing?
Good to see you.
You too.
What's happening?
Not a lot. You?
Not a whole lot.
Are you an expert ice fisherman?
No. I go with my dad every now and then, but I'm not that good.
They got a lot of
That's
technology
like
now.
Bally. You guys were with Bally last night. He's the Lake of the Woods, like the northern guy. Keith. That's him.
He's a pretender.
Hey, what's up?
Okay,
man?
so
Coming out.
So why do you say Bally's a pretender outdoor fisherman? And I said that in the interview, and I thought it was Donor who said it, but it was you who's chirping him about it.
Well, I'll chirp him about it now, but he comes from Baudette, Lake of the Woods, resort ice fishing, but now he lives in Edina, so where they pave the streets with gold. And
Cake eaters, as they call them.
Yeah, and like the gear he wears now is like Filson, like the expensive outdoor
Montclair.
stuff.
Montclair.
Exactly. It's not like Carhartt anymore. I think he's a pretender in that sense. Yeah.
Oh, Bally, let's have a fish off. Me and Carts versus you and whoever the hell you want. You fake outdoorsman. You foresman.
Oh, what's going on here?
I don't know. I have
I'll
no
take the
clue. I know
GoPro.
that I'm battling against somebody. Whoever wants a piece. Oh, it is a big.
I got the GoPro for us too.
He got called up a few weight classes.
So what's the competition?
We don't know yet. I think we're just gonna go battle royale. He's gonna pull us,
Do I hold
and I'm
him
gonna
to
go
size?
boom into him and knock him off. Okay, let's go. Let's rev it up. So the rule is, last man standing. Oh, 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 oh. There you go, straight from Minnesota.
Just bundled.
We'll drop the pin. Oh my God, my face is completely fucking frozen. 1-1. Everybody's a winner. Nobody's a loser.
Oh God.
That was awesome. Yeah, my face is frozen.
Take a bite, you bitch.
Just like that.
Oh, he had it.
Oh, you have to like when
Cart's already got one.
Look at him go.
That's an eater.
I felt them fucking grab it.
There's a couple down there. There's a couple down here. You guys got them?
There's 100 over here.
Yeah.
There's a bunch of showmen back there. Like all the noise from the four-wheelers.
Oh, you got him. Got him. Fucking A, buddy. You fucking. No, I lose him. God, I fucking got you, buddy.
If he pulls hard, just let go of the handle.
Come on, Biz.
Here you go.
Oh yeah, here we go.
Oh, yeah. Little guy. Measure it up. That's about 6 inches. This will be nice on a taco.
Can I try catching one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Have you caught one yet?
No. Here, switch calls with me for a second.
They are. Tip up.
Tip up's up.
Hey, come on.
What's that?
Tip up. Go behind you. Go behind you. Run.
Tip up! Tip up! Tip up!
He took a lot of line. Oh, he might have just realized he's hooked. Okay, just stop. It's a fight.
Keep letting it go, right?
Yep. Now we go. No, hold on a sec. Okay, go.
When you say go, I go.
Go slow. Because this is a big thing.
No way.
Yep, stop. Get real slow. You kind of want to almost. There he is.
Whoa, boys!
There you go, boy.
Wow, boys!
That is a northern pike.
I got a northern pike on my hands.
You want to touch him? He's super slimy. And
Yes,
got teeth and everything.
boys. I got a northern pike right here from Minnesota, an unknown location. But this thing's an absolute beast. But he's going back. He's going back in. There you go, buddy.
There he goes. Yeah, make him chase it.
Oh, you almost had one. Okay, reel it up slow. Oh.
You got one.
Yes! Yes, Biz! Be a fucking keeper.
It seems pretty.
I know, it's pulling you down pretty good.
If it pulls harder, let it go. Oh, nope.
No.
Just a little baby, Biz. Just a little baby.
These little fucking babies keep getting me. They keep getting me. Why am I catching babies?
I don't think he's big enough for that. No.
Ooh. Hey! I got an eater, boys! The wit dog's got an eater!
There's more of them now.
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go, baby!
Buddy, fry that up.
Fry up this fish!
All right, so I'm here with Ryan. We're just this is our catches at the haul. The boys did a pretty good job. We're gonna fillet these up, fry them, make some tacos. It's gonna be fucking delicious. Let's get started. Let's fillet these fish.
A little fresh cilantro, a little fresh fish.
me a nice taco. Going very simple. So this morning before we came out here, I made a little fresh pico de gallo salsa, nothing crazy, jalapenos, tomatoes, onions. And then I made a nice little slaw here. This is just kind of Asian slaw. A little rice wine vinegar, some soy sauce, sugar. That'll be a nice little crunch, a little fresh base. And then the fish, we're just gonna blacken up. There's a blackening season here. This will do, so it'll be kind of like a Cajun more. See that? Oh, that's really good. That's a nice blend right there. It's a nice spice mix. So we'll just cover it with this spice. Boom, fry it in the pan, a little bit of butter. There you go, there's your taco. It's gonna be really fucking good. So there we go. We got our fish all nice and coated with that spice mix right there. And then this is gonna get a little hotter and bang, we'll throw it in there, fry them up, be good to go. So we're gonna let's just keep shaking these.
Oh, Donnie's cooking?
Yeah, Donnie.
Oh, he's fucking done? Donnie! Is he cooking in here? I'm ready to eat it! Give me the food, baby! Give me the food! Can you give me a drum roll, Granelli? No, I would never. First of all, the fish was radiating heat and butter, and swishing it around with all the cold veggies. This is a fucking orgasm in my mouth. This is compliments to the chef. Hey, get the fuck out of here! Tacos are for us!
Hey! Freezing my dick off.
Oh yeah. What is that?
I don't know how much of that you can see, but that's sriracha sauce?
Sriracha, a little sriracha mayo, just simple.
This is number 2. And this is the perfect cap off to an unbelievable day, all brought to you by our boy Donnie. And thank you very much for Granelli for setting it up.
Crappie Chronicles, baby.
And this is crappy fish, buddy.
Yeah, and it's crappies. How is it?
It's fucking not crappy. It's like the opposite. I don't understand the name. You gotta get a new name for it.
I know. What would you rename them?
I don't know.
We'll go with that.
I don't know.
Yeah.
The wild card.
I don't know.
Yeah. All right, boys, we got some fish tacos right here. Ryan helped me out. The boys did a good job fishing. That's a successul day. Doesn't get fresher than this. Now everybody eats. Now everybody eats.
Talking about, dude.
Come in here. Get in here. Get in here, boys.
Dude, you want to talk about fresh fish tacos?
It's as good as it gets, dude.
Oh yeah.
So I'm speechless. This is so good.
Hey, this experience is incredible. I want to thank you guys for.
Thanks for coming on out to the ice.
I love the Clam 600s. I might buy a Clam 600 of my own for my backyard just for no reason.
Yeah.
RA, battling through that interview.
Oh yeah.
Love you.
Yeah.
Did I have shit on my face?
No, you look good.
But that's a wrap for me. I'm out of here.
Safe travels,
There's
buddy.
still a lot of catching to be done. So RA, I'm going to leave it in your hands.
Yeah.
Help this guy out, please.
We'll get one. Another one.
Maybe put a little bit of puke on the bait. Maybe
might
maybe
work.
that'll draw a lot of
a
it.
little more.
Is there sharks in this water or no?
Absolutely.
Oh yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah, a couple great whites. RA loves the great white.
Get out of here, catch your plate.
That's a wrap. A very successful day. I think it was exactly what we all hoped and maybe what I called for in terms of my 20-inch fish, the northern pike I caught. But in the end, an amazing experience with these guys in this undisclosed location outside Minneapolis. We gotta thank Chef Donnie. You've seen the video, you saw the pictures, and we were able to taste those fish tacos. They were phenomenal. So it was an amazing day with A lot of great memories, as they say. So Happy New Year to everyone.